got sunshine and flowers, it's almost a perfect day. I just need your smile to light my way. Can you come out to play?
Hello, Refly from the Netherlands, and I'm ready to make another page in my art journal. I've added acrylic paint to the sides of the front pages. I will create them later. Of course, I'll make a video of it. This time we're going to doodle on watercolors. Why not? It's a really easy and fun and quick way to add another page to your art journal. You need a brush, a black Posca pen and a white Tombow marker, and of course your favorite watercolors. First we'll start with the background with the watercolors. I just add lots of water and I use my favorite colors, and it will not come as a shock to you, but usually my favorite colors are the rainbow colors. I call it rainbow, but actually it is not really rainbow. It's just all the colors of the color wheel. So I add orange, I add yellow. Later on I will add all my favorite colors. And what the fun is with watercolor, you just add water and add colors. There are no rules in my book, so I just play with the paint. I drag it around, I add more color if I think it's too pale, is that the correct word? When they are not bright enough. I add pink, of course, it's my favorite. You would think it's a new little nap in your watercolor set. That's because it's the second one already. Try to mix the colors. Lots of people are also warning in e-classes or other workshops that you should be careful when mixing colors because you can get mud. But I don't care. I just mix the colors any way I want to, and when I get mud and I don't like it, I paint over it or I put a sticker on it. I don't know, I just keep going. So don't think too much. Get your brush in your watercolor paint, add water and add paint. And when your page is dry, of course I'm really impatient, so I use my heat gun to dry the watercolor. Usually I think the effect is more beautiful when you let it dry in the air, so naturally. But I'm always in a hurry, so I need to finish my page and I want to create another one already. So I will get my heat gun out and dry this page. So for now I will put some cute music under it and have fun creating your page. Oh, just one thing. When you start your doodles, I use a Posca pen. And it has that plastic point, so you won't ruin your point when working on mixed media, on paint, on watercolors, on anything actually. And with doodling, if you're not used to doodle or if you haven't done it before, just do as I do. Create what I have made. You are allowed to copy this page for your own art journal if you're not really certain what to create. And for me, the more I doodle, the more things I create, the easier it will become to think up new ways to create flowers or circles or anything else. And if you're looking for inspiration, of course, Pinterest is your best friend. And when you are using it for yourself in your own art journal, there is no harm in watching how somebody else has created their doodles, and you are going to create them for you. That's totally fine. If you're going to sell t-shirts with the prints on it, that's a copycat, so I will hunt you down. But that's not the case. Have fun doodling and I will see you in the next video. Bye!
Sunshine and flowers, it's almost a perfect day. I just need your smile to light